Hello engineers, welcome to Chris Control Automation. If today is the first time you are watching my channel, kindly subscribe, okay? Just hit the bell icon and then select all to get all my videos. Today we're going to look at reversing star delta, okay? Reversing star delta. Yeah, I've already made a video on star delta. So today we are looking at reversing star delta. A star delta that goes forward and reverse. So without wasting much time, let's get started, okay? So these are the diagrams, okay? Yeah, this is the power diagram or the wiring diagram. Then this is the control diagram, okay? So let me explain the wiring diagram first. Okay, now in the forward and reverse star delta, we are using 5 contactors. So this is key 1, key 2, key 3, key 4, and then key 5. The key 1 is the forward contactor. The key 2 is the reverse contactor, okay? The key 3 is the main contactor. The key 4 is the star contactor. The key 5 is the delta contactor. And then this is our overload, thermal overload relay, okay? Yeah, let me explain the configuration, the wiring. Now, the delta side, okay, the delta, U1 is joining W2. So over here, this is the U1 line, okay, U1 line, yeah. So it is joining W2, V1, U2. So V1 is joining U2, W1, V2. So W1 V2. Okay, so this is the data side. Then the star, we connected V2 and W2 together. So making the star point, okay? Making the star point. Yeah, making the star point, okay, or the neutral point, okay? Yeah, the star point or the neutral point. So now, and then we apply the power at U1, V1, W1, okay? So when the star contactor picks, means that we are joining this one together, the two, okay, W2, U2, V2. So these are the cables, okay? Yeah, so it means that they'll bypass this way, they'll pass this way, okay? So it means that when this contactor picks, we are joining them. This is the joint, okay? I'll show you on the wiring, okay? The practical side, I'll show you there. So this side, okay? Now, these are these are forward and reverse contactors, okay? This is the forward contactor, the reverse contactor, okay? Now the forward contactor, let me explain the forward contactor to you. Now, when the forward contactor energizes, okay? Let's see. Okay. We apply this is line 1. Line 1 is applied to U1. Okay. So when these contactors, okay, when they energize, the forward and the main, line 1 is applied to U1. Okay. Line 2 is applied to V1. Line 3, this line 3 is applied to W1. Okay, so it means that we are applying the power to the motor in the forward direction. Okay, this is the forward line, okay? Yeah, and then the star will also continue. Yeah, let me come back to the reverse. Okay, when the reverse contactor picks, we have reversed the line 1 and the line 3 and maintained the line 2. So let me see. So the reverse contactor and the main contactor, they will also reverse energize at the same time, like the forward and the main, they energize at the same time. So when this one is off, we're off the forward side, okay, then we will start the reverse side. The reverse and then the main contactors, they will also energize at the same time. So now let's see. When this one also energizes, okay, the line 1, let's see the line 1. Isn't the line 1? This is the line 1, okay. Let's see where it is ending. It is ending at W1. It means that the line 1 is now connected at W1. Line 2 is connected at the same line 2. We maintained the line 2. Let's see line 3. This is line 3. Line 3 is connected at U1. So it means that we have interchanged or swapped the line 1 and line 3. Okay, so when the reverse contactor picks, the line 1 is now ending at W1. The line 3 is now ending at U1. So we have swapped their connections, okay? Yes, and maintain the line 2. So that is the reverse side, okay? So now, let me explain the control diagram. So please, if you want to understand the star data well, I'll urge you to watch my video on star data, okay? On star data. Yes, I carefully explain it, the star data, all the configurations, okay? All the terminal markings and the wirings, okay? I explained everything. So please kindly watch the star data if you want to understand the star data well, okay? If you don't understand the star data, I will urge you to watch the star data itself, okay, before you continue with the forward and reverse star data, okay? Yeah. So let me explain the control circuit, okay? So the control circuit, okay, we have the key 1, that's the forward, the key 2, that's the reverse, okay, forward contactor, reverse contactor. The key 3, that's the main contactor, okay, yeah, that's the main contactor. The key 3, that's the main contactor. This is our timer relay, on delay timer, okay, on delay timer. This one is the key 4. The key 4 is the star contactor. The key 4 is the star contactor. This one is the key 5, the delta contactor. These are the symbols, the delta symbol, okay. This is the star symbol. So the key 5 is the delta contactor, and that is it, delta contactor, okay. Now, and then this one is the overload. So it is here, okay. So now let me explain this contact here, okay. These are interlocks, okay, electrical interlocks. So this one is a close contact on this, on the reverse contactor. This one is also a close contact on the forward contactor, so that when the forward contactor energizes, it opens this side. So if accidentally someone presses on the reverse push button whilst the forward contactor is energized, because this side is open, there's no way the reverse contactor would energize, okay. Let's come here too. The same applies to this side. This side is also a close contact on this. So when this one energizes, the reverse contactor energizes, okay, it opens this side. So when you press on the forward start push button, because this side is open, there's no way this one would energize, okay. So now we are done here. The same applies here, okay, the same thing. So this is a close contact on the star. So when the star is running, this side is open. This is a close contact on the delta. So when the delta is running, this side is open, right? Okay, now, okay, let me explain the sequence. So when you press the forward push button, okay, because current will flow through the close contact on the reverse contactor. Current will flow through the close contact on the reverse contactor, okay. To energize the key 1, that is the forward contactor. That is the forward contactor, this one, okay. So when this one energizes, it closes this contact, this load contact, okay, it will close, okay. At the same time, this is the hold on, this one will also close, so that when we remove our hand, the contactor will still remain energized. So this contact too, okay, will also close, because they are all contact on this key 1, okay. This contact will close. Then to apply power to the key 3, to energize the key 3, the key 3 is what? Is the main contactor. So when this one energizes, this side also close, right? Okay. The same current will flow through to energize the timer. So when the timer energizes, to start counting, it is an on delay timer, okay. It will start timer, okay, counting, okay. The same current will also flow through the close. These are close contact. These are open contact on the timer. These are contact on the timer. So current will flow through the close contact, okay, through this close contact to energize the key 4. The key 4 is the star, okay, it is the star. So it means that when you press the forward push button, okay, key 1 will energize, that is the forward contactor, okay. Key 3 also energize, that is the main contactor, and then the key 4 also energize, that is the star contactor. It means that the motor is now running in what? Forward star. It is now running in forward star. Yeah, okay. So when the star picks, this side will be joined together, this side, and then the motor will be running in, like power will be applied in forward direction, okay, to line 1. Line 1 will be applied to U1, line 2 will be applied to V2, line 3 will be applied to W1. Then we have star this side. So now the motor is running in forward star. So after the preset time, when the counting is finished, this contact will open.
and then this side will close. Okay, so when this side opens, this key 4 will de-energize. The star will go off to open. Okay, it will open. Now this side will close. Okay, to energize the key 5, that is the delta. So this side would close, this contact will close. Okay, and then now the motor will be running in forward delta. Forward delta. Okay, yes, of course. So this is the forward side. Now let's come to the reverse side. Okay, now reverse side, you stop the motor. Okay, yeah, even if the motor is running in forward delta. Okay, because this connector is energized, this side is open. So even if you press on the start, on the reverse switch button, there's no way this one would, the reverse connector will energize. At the same time, when the delta is also on, okay, this side is also open, there's no way the star will also come on. So it is not to not work. So now you press the stop switch button to stop the whole circuit. Okay, to de-energize the K1, K3, the timer, and then the delta. Okay, now we are coming to start the motor in the reverse direction. Okay, so now I press on the reverse switch button. Okay, kind of flow through. Okay, kind of flow through the close contact on this. Now this one is de-energized, it is off, so now here is close. So kind of flow through to energize the K2, that is the reverse contactor. Okay, yeah, so when this one energizes, this contact will close. Okay, to close, and then this contact is open contact is on this. Okay, so I wire them in parallel. Okay, so now here is open because this one is off. Okay, so when here energizes, this side will close, and applying power to the K3. The K3 is the main contactor. So the main contactor is common to both the forward and the reverse contactors. It's common. Okay, so the K3 will energize. The timer 2 will also energize. Okay, and then it will start counting. Now current will still flow through, continue to flow through the close contact on the timer, through the close contact, this contact on the delta, to energize the star. Okay, the star is the K4 is the star. Okay, so it means that when you press the reverse switch button, K2 will energize. Okay, this is the reverse contactor, and then K3 will energize. That's the main contactor. Okay, the timer will energize, and then it will start counting, and then the K4 will also energize. That is the star contactor. Okay, so this is the main contactor. Okay, and then the star contactor. Okay, so it means that these 3 contactors will energize. Okay, now when the reverse contactor energizes, let's see what happens. The line 1, as I explained earlier, the line 1 is now connected at W1. Line 2 is connected at the same V1. We maintain the line 2. Line 3 is now connected at U1. So you will flow through this way. Okay, but we have swapped the line 1, line 3. So the motor will run in reverse star. It will run in reverse star. So after the preset time, okay, after the counting is reached, this contact will open. They will change their state. This close contact will open to de-energize the K4, that is the star. So this side will open, okay, and then this side will also close to energize the K5. The K5 is the delta. So when the K5 energizes, the delta will come on. So now the motor is running in reverse delta. So this is simple for the reverse star delta. Okay, simple for the reverse star delta. Please, if you want to understand the star delta well, please kindly watch my first video on star delta. Okay, yes, star delta, and then understand it well. Okay, yeah, just watch that video and understand it perfectly before you continue from here. Okay, if you are new to star delta. Okay, so now let's move on to the wire itself. Yeah, so now this is the wiring. Okay, yeah, this is the motor, as I said earlier. Okay, so these are the motor windings. Okay, sorry, the terminals. Okay, so because the routines are so small, see, that's why I've used this masking tape to indicate this markings to indicate. Okay, so this is a U1 terminal, V1 terminal, okay, W1 terminal, W2 terminal, okay, this one, U2 terminal, and then V2 terminal. They are all 6. Okay, now then these are our contactors. Okay, are push buttons. So this is the stop, the forward start push button, the reverse start push button, forward contactor, reverse contactor, okay, and then the main contactor. This is our overload, okay, the timer, the star contactor, then the data contactor, okay. So when you come here, the forward contactor, okay, this is the forward contactor, okay, from the forward, it is connected as, from the forward, it's connected as the main contactor. So this is it, okay. So this is the line 1, these are the power lines, line 1, line 2, line 3, line 1, line 2, line 3, yeah, okay, this one. So so these are the power lines, okay, line 1, line 2, line 3, okay. So line 1 is connected as the input of the forward contactor, okay, the input of the forward contactor, okay. So now these are the power lines, okay, yeah, the line 1, okay, line 2, and then line 3. So these are, okay, this is, okay, from here, okay, it goes to, from here it goes to the, from the down it goes to the main contactor, okay, this side, this is it, sorry, this side, okay, from here, this cable, okay, I've seen this cable is okay, from down here, okay, from the output of the forward contactor, it goes to the main contactor, this side, okay, from the main contactor to the overload, yeah, this is the overload, okay, from the overload to the motor terminal U1, line 1 will go to U1, line 2 will go to V1, line 3, okay, will go to W1. So this is it. So this is our line 1. This is our line 1, okay. So let's see the cable. This is our line 1. This cable is the line 1, okay. Let's see the line 1 where it is connected at. This one, U1, okay, at U1. This is our line 2. This is the line 2. The line 2 is connected at. This is the line 2, okay. This is the line 2. This is connected at. So let's see the line 2. Let's see the line 2. So this one, okay, is this one. Connected V1. Then this is the line 3. This is the line 3 connected at W1, okay. So this side. This side. Now left with this side, okay. Left with this side, okay. This side. So now we tapped from the bottom of the forward contactor, okay, to the delta. So this is it, the back cable, okay. So the line 1 will go to line 1, okay. The line 1 will end at W2. This line 1 to end at W2. So let's see. Here's the line 1, okay. This is the line 1. So let's see it first. So this is the line 1. This cable is the line 1. This one is the line 1, okay. See it here. It's the line 1. It is ending at this side, okay. This is the data contactor. So this side, okay, this side. So this is the cable. This is the back cable. Okay, so let's trace the cable. This is the cable. It is now connected at W2. Have you seen it? W2. You seen it? Yes. So W2, the line 1, this side to W2. Okay. Yes, and then this is the line 2. The line 2. So this is the line 2. This cable is the line 2. Is the line 2. Okay, now is in the middle. This one. Okay. And this is it. The middle black is now ending at U2. So line 2. Okay, this line 2, it is ending at U2. Have you seen it? Yes. And then this is the line 3. This is the line 3. This cable is the line 3. Okay, let's trace it. So this is it. This one, okay. Yeah, this one, yeah, this one, ending at this ending at this one. So it is this one, okay, this one. So this is it, this cable, this is the cable, okay, this is the cable. It's ending at V2, it is ending at V2, okay, V2. So the line 3, this is the line 3, okay, it is ending at V2, have you seen it? So that is the forward delta, right? That's the forward delta, okay, and then this is the reverse delta, okay. So you connected that, sorry, the forward, this is the forward delta, and then the forward star. So you connected them, okay, line 1, line 2, line 3, join them here. So this is it, okay, this is it. So from down here, this cable, this is it, okay. So the down here, the delta down, delta contactor down. So this is the delta contactor, okay, the down, this is the down, okay. So these are the cables, okay. We join them and brought to the star contactor. Then we have starred it here, this is the star, this is the star, okay, yes. So this one, okay, is what is here, okay. And then the down here, these 3 cables, they are these cables, okay, the red cables, that's that, okay. And then the reverse contactor, okay, the reverse contactor. So this motor, sorry, this from the line 1, okay, line 1, it is ending at, it comes to the reverse contactor, okay, yeah, line 1, the line 1 reverse contactor, it is ending at the forward down, line 3, line 1, okay, from the forward top, it is ending at reverse stop this side, the third one, and then it continues to line 3. So let's see, this is the line 1, okay, this is the line 1, okay, this cable, it is down here, it is this one, it is this, okay, it is this cable, you see that, and this is it, okay, it's down here, have you seen it? And then this is it, right? Have you seen it? This is this cable, so down here, this one, it is ending at line 3, okay. We maintain the line 2, this is the line 2, as we said, line 2, okay, to end at line 2 at the bottom of the forward contactor, at the bottom. So this is the line 2, okay, this is the line 2, this is the line 2, okay, this is it, this one, okay, this one, okay, this one. So it is here, okay, it should be in the middle. So this cable, okay, yes, this cable, and then this is then you have the line 3, it is ending at the line 1. So this is the line 3, this is the line 3, okay, this cable is the line 3, this one, let's see, this one, it is down here, okay, this one, this cable, yes. So this is the line 3, okay, it is ending at line 1, this is it. So this one, okay, so the line 3 is now ending at the line 1 here, okay. So that's the reverse side, this is the reverse contactor, okay, yeah. Then this timer, okay. So now let's begin the operation, okay. So we are going to run the motor in the forward star. So when I press the forward push button, okay, the forward contactor will energize, the main contactor will energize, the timer will energize, and then the star will energize. So after some time, okay, this one will go off, okay. After some time, the timer would the contact will change their state, and then de-energize this contactor. So, and then when de-energize this contactor will come on. So this one will go off, this one will come on. So forward star, okay, then forward delta. So let's press the start push button, okay. Let's see the contactors, okay. Let's see the contactors. Okay, let me turn on the brake, the control breaker. Okay, let's see. See the direction. So let me see the direction to going this way, right? This is the direction, right? Okay, let me start that again. You see this one, the forward. I'll press the forward push button. Okay, see these contactors. 1, 1, 2, 3. They went at the same time. So see, everything now. See the start. See it. Okay, when I press it, see the contactors. Okay, see the 3 contactors. Press it. This one. Okay, that's the main contactor and the star. So we're gonna press it. Okay, and then see this side. This one will go off. This one will come on. The data will pick. The data will pick. So let's see. Yeah, and then so this is the direction. Okay. I'm pressing it. So this is the direction. Okay, this is the direction. So let's see. Once again, see. Okay. Now left with this the reverse. Okay. Yeah, this way. Okay. Left with the reverse. Okay, press the reverse. Okay. This one will energize. This the main connector will energize. The star to also energize. So let's press. So let's see the direction. See the direction? It's going this way. Okay. Let's press once again. The reverse. I've stopped it. See the direction? Let's press once again. So reverse star, forward delta. So reverse star, reverse delta. So let's see. I've written it. I've stopped it. So this is simple forward and reverse star data. Please, if you want to understand, kindly watch my star data video and then you continue from here, okay?
So engineers, I hope you have all seen the forward and reverse star data or reversing star data, right? Okay. You see, as we are operating the motor in forward star, you see the sound was small, was down. But as the data picked, it increased, right? Yes. And when the motor was operating in reverse star, the sound was down. When the data picked, it was increased, right? So that is the reverse and forward star data or reversing star data. So please, kindly subscribe to the channel, okay? If you want to get more practical videos like what you just watched, okay? Understand control diagrams, okay? If you want to understand controls, just kindly subscribe to this channel, okay? Subscribe and then hit the bell icon, okay? And then select all. When you press on the bell icon, okay, all will be at the top. Select the all so that you get all my videos, and then share the video to your friends, your students, those that you think it will benefit them. Just share the video to them, okay? Yes, and then put your comment down there. Okay, let me see what you also think about this video that you just watched. Thank you. I'll see you in my next tutorial.